What's going on, everybody? How we doing today, guys? Got a cool video for you today. So we're doing something. Now, there's been several YouTubers that have done this. It's not like we created the idea, but I saw one of my buddies on Instagram. His name is D, under Aceboard the Angler, and he posted about a tackle box, wanting to send it to a couple people, YouTubers, that kind of thing. And basically the idea is that you get sent a tackle box with a couple of baits in it. I'm not really sure if you're supposed to fish the baits, but I know you're supposed to add a couple baits to the box. So we're gonna check out this tackle box. It's a little flambeau box. He signed it, Aceboard the Angler. Y'all go check out his channel and his Instagram. I'll leave a link in the description below. But he sent it with a couple really good baits, actually. So, got a couple Blue Fox Vibrax spinners, good for trout, stuff like that. Size 1, and then the other one's a size 2. And then little Rapala. This is a F9. And then a Carl's amazing bait and tackle. So we're gonna take this down to the creek, and I think I'm gonna throw the Rapala first, see if I can catch a fish on that, and maybe try to catch a fish on all of them, but definitely gonna try to catch a fish on one of them, and then I'm gonna add a couple baits. I think you could probably guess what I'm gonna add, but we'll figure out who we're gonna send this to, and we'll talk about that at the end of the video. But we're gonna get down to the creek and try to catch some fish. So stay tuned. Alrighty guys. Got the Crocs on today, and got them in 4-wheel drive. So we're ready for whatever this day has to throw at us. Whew, 'tis the season. 'Tis the season for thorn bushes. Hey, I'm not here to mess with y'all, I promise. Just trying to catch a couple fish. So cute. All right, first cast. Look at this guy. That's rain. Whew. As long as there ain't no thunder, I'm good. I don't care at all. I'll get wet. Oh, got a fish. Heck yeah. I think it's a bluegill. Yes! Finally caught one on this little jerkbait. Alright, buddy. You really wanted it, didn't you? Alright, nice little bluegill on the jerkbait. I'm gonna try to catch a bass on this thing before I switch it up, and I am seeing some really nice bass on this creek. So I'm gonna keep fishing this for a little bit. Alright. Well, I caught one fish on the Rapala. To be 100% honest with you guys, it's just really not the time of year. Well, it is the time of year. I take that back. They will absolutely hit these little jerk baits and stuff. Good lord. Good thing I got these Crocs in 4-wheel drive. They will absolutely hit these lures, but these fish in this creek are actually spawning right now. So, gonna try to really make them mad with like a little jig or something. Y'all can already tell what I'm getting at here. I'm gonna throw the micro jig, and gonna get out of this little storm for a second because it's thundering, and I'm holding a 7-foot lightning rod in the air. So, on to the next. And lightning, but we're gonna go down here and fish anyway, because that's how we roll here. Oh, yep. Nice largemouth. Nice largemouth. Look at that. Look at that on the Rapala. Heck yeah. Heck yeah. Good little largemouth there. All right, caught a bass on it. That's all I was trying to do, was just get the bass on the Rapala. Now we're going to switch it up to the baits that I'm going to put in there, in the box. Alrighty, I'm walking through a forest of 3-foot tall grass right now. Probably some snakes in here waiting to jump out at me. It's all right. All right. Well, couldn't convince any of them to eat it, so I'm gonna give them a break. Go fish over here. Ooh, that's a tank of a smallmouth spawning. He's about to spawn. Okay, let's see if I can really. Little guy on the micro jig. All right, buddy. There you go. Probably went underneath all this like gunk right here. Let's see what we got. I didn't realize I had him. I had him the whole freaking time. Come here, buddy. Heck yeah. Nice smallmouth. Nice little smallmouth. Oh no! Oh, I made it mad. Oh my god. I'm so close to getting this fish to eat. So close. So close. That was just a little warning. She is not having it. She is not having it. Oh yeah, she is mad. She is fired up. She is hitting it. Every time I'm in there now, I have really made her mad. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Oh yeah. All right. That was freaking awesome. Oh yeah. I'm sorry, honey. I'm really sorry about that. I'm gonna put you right back, I promise. Oh, she's so mad. That is absolutely beautiful. Whew. There she goes. There she is. Right back on the bed. Right back on the bed, defending her territory. I'm telling you guys, there's a sweet spot on every bed. I'm trying to find this fish's sweet spot now. I think she just had that one in her mouth. There we go. There we go. It's a good smallmouth too. It's a good smallmouth. This is freaking awesome. Oh wow, look at that. Holy crap. This fish just spit up a shad. That is a freaking good smallmouth. Good smallmouth. That is a really good smallmouth. Come here, buddy. Come here, sweetie. Come here, come here, come here. Oh, look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. She just spit up that minnow right here. Holy crap. That's freaking awesome. It's a beautiful fish. Get back down there. And look at this, guys. This is what she just spit out as I was reeling her in. Some kind of little top minnow, killifish, darter maybe. Kind of hard to tell when it's completely demolished like that. Throw it back in there. That's my smallmouth. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Okay. Good. Oh man. I'm hitting him on the head. Oh yeah, that's a freaking giant. That's a freaking giant. That's a freaking giant. It was over the rock too. Oh my god. Oh man. That's a freaking giant. Come here, buddy. Oh man. Oh man, that's a freaking good fish. That is a good freaking fish. Oh man. Look at that. That's a beautiful fish. That is a beautiful fish. I walked past this spot and scared the fish a little bit. Look at that, y'all. That's it. There she goes. There she goes right there. Oh man. There's another one over there. I'm gonna try to catch that one too. That's the one that I lost. The one I just caught was a different fish. There we go. Look at that. Come here, girl. Come here, girl. Oh my goodness. Look at that fish. That is a nice female. That is a nice female right there. Let her get back on that bed. All right, starting to rain. So it is time to get out of here. Whew. Luckily I didn't walk that far.
Alright, that is going to be it for today's video. Thank y'all for watching. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I really don't know who I'm sending this box to yet. I filmed this video probably a month ago, so I figured I'd go ahead and edit it. And I want to send it to John, but I know John's done a couple of these travel and tackle box videos already. But it's a really cool concept. I'm going to send it to someone, so if you want it and you have a YouTube channel, reach out to me. I might send it to you. But what I'm going to add to the box, let's talk about that. So, quiver, 4.5s, green pumpkin, awesome bait. Ned bombs in my absolute favorite color, which is plutonium green pumpkin. Got some shockwaves I'm gonna add to the box, and mini D chunk, obviously a great little trailer. And then I've got shaky head, Ned rig head, and then there's a couple micro jigs I added in there. So I'm gonna add a good bit of little stuff to that box, and hopefully whoever gets it is gonna fish it and catch some giants on it. Obviously we had a lot of action with the smallmouth, and they loved it. They were spawning and they were eating that little micro jig up. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. A lot of fun, really cool concept, and hopefully we can keep this tackle box going, and whoever gets it will send it off to someone else. So appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching.